What is going on, yo? It is 1:45 a.m. in the morning. I'm getting some gas. Chris came over. I put that on my Instagram. I didn't put that on my YouTube video, but Chris Jones, my good buddy from way back in the day, came over, worked out with me tonight, and we're gonna go duck hunting today, I guess now. And we stayed up talking all night long, catching up. It was great conversation. We solved all the world's problems, dove deep into all areas of life, and we're gonna get like an hour or two of sleep before we go duck hunting. So yeah, buddy. What's going on, man?
We're in the pursuit of the duck.
The duck.
The mallard.
What time is it?
5:38.
5:38. Y'all can't see me, but we're gonna kill some ducks. Get ready.
Get out, man. We're not packing up and head home. Done by 7:15. There you go, Jim.
No ducks have been killed. Not a single quacker. What do you think about that, Chris?
Skunked. I don't believe in being skunked.
Nothing.
I'm looking for any form of life now.
Yep. Alright, y'all, so since we didn't kill any ducks, we don't have any duck gumbo that we're gonna be making today, but we're starving. So we're gonna go to Cracker Barrel, and I did my macros. I'm gonna get 10 pieces of bacon and 10 eggs. Danny posted a picture of him eating eggs today, and I think that still qualifies in the whole 2 pounds in a brick, so here we go, bacon and eggs. Boom, check it out. Alright, y'all, frustration has set in. I had just recorded a whole bunch of stuff for y'all, and then I plugged in my SD card in my computer just now to edit it all and upload it. No sound was on anything. So that is not good. That is one of the frustrations that comes with vlogging. Sometimes you have gear malfunctions. So what you're listening to now is without the external mic. It doesn't sound as good. I don't know what's wrong with the external mic. I'm working on it now. But all this to say that I have no footage for you now, because I mean there's like 2 minutes of footage with sound and then the rest of it just no sound. So sorry that this was not near as exciting as it could have been, because I actually got some pretty good footage throughout the rest of the day. It was a pretty laid back day that I recorded. Went duck hunting, and then I took the camera and I went to visit my folks, because I'm not gonna have an opportunity to do that much later the rest of this month and next month, because we're gonna be traveling a lot. So I got some cool footage of that. Of course, all that footage has no sound, so I just deleted it all. So sorry about that, but I can show what we got coming up. So that's what we got coming up. Crystal's in California right now. She comes back on Tuesday. Gotta visit the chiropractor. Then Jonathan is here, and he'll be here until Sunday. And then I'm going to speak at a conference with Jessica Ty in Ohio. And then I'm going to leave for the Metabolic Health Summit. I'm gonna be gone for quite a while. Then I'm gonna be going to F-Bomb in Arizona, spending some time with them. And then there's the Arnold Classic. And then I'm going to Texas at some point there as well, to work on the apparel stuff. So that's kind of what I've got coming up in the near future, and I just wanted to spend some time with the family before I started traveling and wasn't going to have the opportunity to spend any time with them. So that's what I got footage of, and that footage is now gone, so oopsie daisy. But that happens with vlogging. You just have to get frustrated, say a bad word, and start recording again, because there's not much you can do about it. That said, sorry this vlog is short, and I will see you soon. Take care.